Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we will continue with the topic we started 2 days ago. Students, we are reading the first chapter, that is the third level, written by Jack Finney. Before reading ahead, let me uh, tell you some of the points of a recap so that we can have a good recap and good learning. Okay, so students, the third level is a story that weaves together a psychological journey of the narrator into past, present, and moves towards future. Here, a character named Charlie, he is 31-year-old, an American. He narrates his unusual experience of having been to the third level of Grand Central Station. Okay, students, he himself admits that there are only two levels at Grand Central Station. Okay, and everybody in the world knows it very well that there are only two um, level there, but but he says that he has visited the third level of this. Okay, he even tells the entire episode to his psychiatrist friend. Okay, clear. He tells that one day he worked late in the night. Okay, when he started going towards his home, he chose the subway instead of the bus because it was faster than the buses. Okay, thereafter in the subway, when he took the left turn, he towards the station, he went on the first level, and thereafter he took another left staircase. Okay, when he went downstairs, he reached at the second level, and thereafter he found another another um, another staircase that leads him towards the third level. Okay, he discovers brass spittoons. Okay, flickering gas lights, everyone dressed like 1890s with old fashioned beards, sideburns. Okay, fancy mustache, engine with funnel shaped stack. Okay, and he also witnessed the newspaper, the world, few tickets window, etc. in the third level. Okay, so students, up to here we have gone through. Okay, and now we'll start this chapter ahead. Okay, we'll read it ahead and try to know something more about this story. Okay. To make sure, I walked over to a new newsboy and glanced at the stack of the paper at his heel. It was the world, and the world hasn't been published for years. Okay, students, as you know, now the narrator was uh, at Grand Central Station. Okay, and especially on the third level. Okay, so there when he saw each and everything related to 1890s. Okay, he found himself to a different world. Okay, and to make sure, he walked over to the newsboy. The newsboy means a person, the news hawker. Okay, the newspaper hawker, a person who sells newspaper. So he walked over to the newspaper and newsboy, and there he glanced. He had a short look at the stake, at the heap of at the stake होता है ढेर वैसे तो of paper. Okay, there was a bundle of paper at his feet, पैरों के पास. It was the world, and you know, the world, the newspaper, the world has not been published for years. कई सालों से publish नहीं हुआ है. The the lead story said something about President Cleveland. I have found that that front page since in the public library files and it was printed June June 11, 1894. Okay, so the lead story in which President Cleveland means the story was about President Cleveland. Okay, and uh, he has also found that front page since in the public library library files. Okay, and this report was published on June 11, 1894. Okay, तो old पेपर था ये. I turned towards the ticket windows, knowing that here on the third level at Grand Central, I could buy tickets that would take Louisa and me anywhere in the United States uh, we wanted to go. In the year 1894, and I wanted two tickets to Galesburg, Illinois. Okay, and then he turned to the ticket windows. Okay, as he wanted to, as he was in on the third level at Grand Center Station, so he could not buy ticket that would take Louisa. Okay, as he wanted to go to his wife. Okay, so and okay, clear, so he could not get a ticket to go there. Okay, because anywhere he could not buy means, and he could buy tickets. Okay, he could buy वो खरीद सकता था वहाँ पे that a ticket that would take Louisa and him anywhere to in the United States he wanted to go means यूनाइटेड स्टेट में जहाँ भी कहीं भी जाना चाहता था ना, वहाँ उसको वहाँ की टिकट वहाँ उसको यहाँ से मिल सकती थी. ओके, एंड आई वॉन्टेड टू एंड आई वॉन्टेड टू टू टिकट्स टू गेल्सबर्ग इलिनोस एंड ही देन wanted to go to Galesburg, Illinois. Okay, Illinois. Have you ever been there? It was a wonderful town still. It was a wonderful town still with old frame houses. Okay, huge lawns and tremendous trees with branches meet overhead the roof and the street. Okay, and in 1894, summer evenings were twice as long as people, twice as long, and people sat out on their lawns. The men smoking cigars, okay, and talking quietly. The women waving palm leaves fans, okay, with the fireflies and all around in a peaceful world. Okay, clear, students. Here the narrator has given us a factual description of the town Galesburg. He said it was a wonderful town with old framed house. Okay, here there are huge lawns in front of every house, each house. Okay, and there were tremendous big trees whose branches meet overhead. Okay, and roof out of the street. Okay, clear, and summer evenings were quite beautiful there. Okay, people would sit out on their gardens. Okay, clear, and okay, the men always busy in talking with their friends. Okay, they even use cigar. Okay, clear, they smoke cigar and cigars, and the women they waving palm leaf fans. You know palm leaf fans क्या होते हैं? palm leaf fans होते हैं आपके palm leaf fans मीन्स वो जो ताड़ के पत्तों के पंखे होते हैं ना अपने, उनको बोलते हैं. तो पाम लीफ फैंस लेके बैठती हैं विद फाइव फ्लाइज. ओके, फाइव फ्लाइज के साथ ऑल अराउंड. ओके, क्लियर, चारों तरफ बैठ के हवा करती रहती हैं, बैठी रहती हैं इन अ पीसफुल वर्ल्ड. इट वॉज क्वाइट अ पीसफुल वर्ल्ड टू बी देयर. ओके, to be back there with the First World War still 20 years off and World War II over 40 years in future, I wanted two tickets for that. okay, to be back there. If he wanted to go there, अगर पीछे जाएं in the past, तो here the first world war has been off, okay, it has been over, okay, and it has been 2 years since it was over, okay, the first world war began in 1914, okay, and got ended in 1918 almost, okay, and he said if he wanted if he wanted to go there, okay, it was 40 years before in future, ओके, 44 साल पहले, ओके, फ्यूचर में, ओवर 40 years, ओके, आई वॉन्टेड 2 tickets फॉर दैट, एंड फॉर दैट ही वॉन्टेड 2 tickets, ओके, वॉन्टेड गो टू गेल्सबर्ग, ओके, देखते हैं क्या होता है उसके साथ. The clerk figured the fare. He glanced at my fancy headband, okay, and figured the fare, okay, and I had enough for two coach tickets, one way, okay, clear. The clerk, what you can say, the ticket clerk, ticket window clerk. He glanced, he just had a short look at his fancy headband, okay, clear, fashionable headband की तरफ उसने देखा, and but he figured the fare, but thereafter he looked curiously at the fare, at the money he gave him, okay, for the two coach tickets, one way. But when I counted out the money and looked up, the clerk was staring at me, and he nodded at the bills. That ain't money, mister, he said. Okay, and if you are trying to skin me, okay, you won't get very far. And he glanced at the cash drawer beside him. Of course, the money was old style bill, okay, and half again as big as the money we use nowadays, and different looking, okay. When he gave him the money, okay, the clerk looked at the money very strangely, and he stared at mm, the narrator, that is Charlie की तरफ उसने देखा, okay, and he said that ate the money, mister, कि this is not the currency they want, okay, clear. And even he warned him, if he he is trying to skin means to deceive him, okay, he even warned him that he would not be able to go very far, ज़्यादा दूर नहीं जा सकेगा, okay. And then Charlie glanced at the cash drawer beside him, cash drawer की तरफ देखा. Of course the money was old style bill. There was old style notes were there in the cash drawer, okay, and these notes were quite big, as big, these notes were quite big, okay, double in size that the note they were using at that time. उस टाइम पे जो नोट यूज़ करे थे उससे डबल साइज के बड़े नोट वहाँ पे रखे थे पुराने. आई टर्नड अवे एंड गोट, ओके, क्लियर, एंड different looking थे. I turned away and got out fast. There is nothing nice about jail, even in 1894. Or in this time, uh, he did not want to go to jail for giving fake money to them. Okay, that's why he returned. And that was that. I left the same way I came, I suppose. और उसने कहा कि he guessed that he took the same way to get out of the third level, okay, that he chose earlier. Next day, during lunch hour, I drew $300 out of the bank, nearly all we had, and bought an old style currency that really worried my psychiatrist friend. And then next day, during the lunch hour, Charlie had managed to bring some old currency note. Okay, and this is something that pestered, that troubled his psychiatrist friend. Okay, you can buy old money at almost any coin dealers, but you have to pay a premium. My $300 bought less than $200 in old style bill, but I didn't care. Eggs were 13 cents a dozen in 1894. तो कह रहा है कि then he was informed that he could buy the old money at almost any coin dealer, किसी भी coin dealer के साथ आप पैसे ले सकते हो, पुरानी करेंसी ले सकते हो, but for that for $300 he had to uh, for $300 bought less than 200 in old style, मीन्स $300 का उसको $200 ही पुराने नोट्स के मिलेंगे. ओके, बट ही डिड नॉट केयर बिकॉज एग्स वर 13 सेंट. केवल 13 सेंट के एक दर्जन अंडे मिल जाते थे इन 1894. ओके, but I have never again found the corridor that leads to the third level at the Grand Central Station. Although I have tried enough, often enough. Okay, but after mm, getting the old currency note, he he has tried to uh, find the corridor that leads to the third level of the Grand Central Station, but he could not find. Okay, could not find. उसको मिला ही नहीं वो. Okay. Louisa was pretty worried when I told her all this and did not want me to took for the third level anymore. And after a while, I stopped and I went to my stamp. Okay, but now we were both looking very weaker because now we have proof that the third level is still there. Okay, students, when he told his wife about this incident, that he purchased some old currency note, and having purchased that, when he went to uh, having purchased that, he tried to find the third level, the corridor that lead him uh, to the third level. Okay, he could not find that, वो मिला ही नहीं उसको. तो she became worried, वो थोड़ी उसको चिंता हुई. Thereafter they went to their collection, their stamp collection. Okay, and they started searching. After some time, they had the proof that there was the third level is still there. My friend Sam Wiener disappeared. Okay, उसका जो friend है ना Sam Wiener, he got disappeared. Nobody knew where, but I sort of suspected because Sam's is a city boy and I used to tell him about Galesburg. I went to school there. Okay, and he also said he liked the sound of people, and that's where he is all right in 1894. Okay, he then found something in which he realized that his friend Sam Winner disappeared. Okay, कोई नहीं जानता वो कहाँ पर है, but he had a sort of uh, sus- suspicion, doubt. Okay, because his friend Sam is a city boy. Okay, and he used to tell his friend his friend about about Gettysburg. Okay, clear. He told that he went to school there. Okay, and he also said he liked the sound of the place, people. Okay, okay, and even and that is where he is. Okay, and now he realized that Sam Winner might be in Galesburg. Okay, all right, in 1894. Okay, because one night fussing with my stamp collection, I found, well, do you know what is a first day cover is? Okay, because when he was searching something in his stamp collection, he found something. Okay, and here the narrator asks the readers what a first day cover. Okay, so students, this is the answer. When a new stamp is issued, stamp collectors buy some and use them to mail envelopes to themselves on very first day of sale, and the postmark proves the date. Mail means to post. Okay, in American English, mail is used to post. लेटर को पोस्ट करना होता है. ओके, सो क्या होता है फर्स्ट डे कवर? व्हेन अ न्यू स्टैम्प इज इशूड, ओके, द स्टैम्प कलेक्शन, व्हाट दे वुड डू, they would buy them, and they stick it on an envelope, okay, and then they write their they wrote their own address, okay, and the postmark proves the date, okay. This envelope is called first day cover. They are never opened, okay. Even you, if you open, you just put blank paper in the envelope. उस envelope के अंदर क्या होता है, blank paper रख देते हैं. तो this is called first day cover, okay. That's that night among my oldest friend first day covers, I found one that shouldn't have been there. Okay, when he was searching his first day cover, in his oldest first day covers, he found uh, a first day cover that should not have been there. वो वहाँ होना नहीं चाहिए था according to him, but there it was. ये था. It was there because someone had mailed it to my grandfather. Okay, someone had posted it on the address of to my grandfather, to his grandfather's address. Grandfather के एड्रेस पे उसको भेजा था. ओके, एट इज होम इन गेल्सबर्ग के पते पर उसको मिला था ये. दैट इज व्हाट द एड्रेस ऑन द एनवलप सेड, और एनवलप के एड्रेस पे ये लिखा हुआ था. ओके, एंड इट हैड बीन देयर सिंस जुलाई 1894. और ये जो फर्स्ट ईयर था ना, इट वॉज देयर इन देयर कलेक्शन फ्रॉम सिंस 1894. जुलाई 1894 से वो वहीं पड़ा था. क्यों? क्योंकि द पोस्ट मार्क शोड दैट, पोस्टल जो स्टैम्प है ना, इट शोज दैट. येट आई डिड नॉट रिमेंबर इट ऑल एट ऑल. ओके, द स्टैम्प वॉज 6 सेंट. वो जो फर्स्ट डे कवर पे सेंट वो लगाई थी ना स्टैम्प टिकट, इट वॉज ऑफ 6 सेंट, 6 पैसे की थी. Del Brown with a picture of President Garfield. Okay. Naturally, when the envelope came to Granddad, okay, in the mail, it went right into his collection and stayed there. और ये बात सही है. When he got the first day cover, he had put it in his collection. Okay, till I took, and it was stayed there. It stayed there till he took it out and opened it. जब तक उसने खोला नहीं तब तक. ओके, द पेपर इनसाइड वॉजंट ब्लैंक. और जो पेपर था ना इस फर्स्ट डे कवर के अंदर, इट वॉज नॉट ब्लैंक वन. वो ब्लैंक नहीं था बेटे. ओके, ओके, इट रेड, दिस इज द एड्रेस, दिस इज द एड्रेस. विच एड्रेस? 1941, सॉरी 941. ओके, विलार्ड स्ट्रीट, गेल्सबर्ग, इलिनॉइस, जुलाई 1894. This is the old version of writing letter beta, where the address has been written on the right hand side. Okay, Charlie, I got to wishing you that you are right. Okay, आप सब ठीक होंगे अपने घर पर. Then I got to believing you were right. And Charlie, it is true. I found the third level. I have been here 2 weeks, and right now, down the street at Delhi's, someone is playing piano, and there are all out of the front porch singing Nelly home. Okay, okay, clear? Here, the letter writer, he was giving the factual description of Galesburg. He said Charlie was right when he said there was 3 level. There were 3 levels at Grand Central Station. Okay, and he confirmed that he had also found the third level there, and from there he reached Galesburg. Okay, and the streets, and he was now right now he was then in the down the street at the Delhi's sub. Okay, and he was sitting there out in the lawn. Okay, and someone was playing piano, एंड दे वर ऑल आउट ऑन फ्रंट ऑफ द पोर्च। पोर्च के बाहर वो बैठे हैं, सिंगिंग, गाते हुए, सीइंग नेली होम, ये गाना गा रहे हैं। एंड आई एम इन्वाइटेड ओवर फॉर लेमोनेड। लेमोनेड होती है सिकंजी। ओके, क्लियर। ओके, कम बैक, कम ऑन बैक चार्ली एंड लुइजा, तुम भी वापस आओ। ओके, कीप लुकिंग टिल यू फाइंड द थर्ड लेवल, और ढूंढते रहो जब तक तुम्हें थर्ड लेवल ना मिल जाए। इट इज़ वर्थ, इट्स वर्थ इट, बिलीव मी। और ये बिल्कुल सही भी है, विश्वास रखना, अगर तुम्हें मिले तो तुम जरूर आना। द नोट इज साइंड सैम, और इसके नीचे लिखा था सैम। You know who the Sam, who the person named Sam was? Sam Wiener is the psychiatrist friend of Charlie. At the stamp and coin store, I got to, okay, I found out that Sam bought $800 worth of worth of old style currency. Okay, when he went to the stamp and coin store, okay, clear, he found that his friend Sam, he bought $800, उसने $800 खरीदे थे of old currency. That ought to set him up in a nice little hay feed and grain business. Okay, and he had purchased those old currency notes just to put them, just to invest them in the little hay feed. Hay होती है dried grass, सूखी घास, और grain के business में डालना चाहता था. He always said that what's really wished he could do, he certainly can't go back to his old business. Okay, and one day he recalled, one day uh, his friend Sam told him that he wanted to go there to start his uh, old business. Okay, not in Galesburg, Illinois in 1894. Illinois, Galesburg में नहीं, तो his old business, which old business, अपना जो कि उसका पुराना बिजनेस था ना, वो शुरू करना चाहता था. वाई? सैम वॉज माई साइकेट्रिस्ट. वो कह रहा कि क्यों ऐसा किया उसने. सैम वॉज इज साइकेट्रिस्ट मीन्स it was just a psychological journey. Okay, all he had seen there at the third level. Okay, it was all something that has been told him psychologically by his friend. Okay, and even there was no third level on the in the grand center session. Okay, clear. Okay, students. So this is the end of the textual reading and explanation of this chapter, beta. Let's have some more points, okay, about this chapter. So Charlie goes to the ticket. Charlie goes to get the ticket of Galesburg, as we have studied. Okay, wonderful town, big houses, huge lawns, plenty of trees, people with lots of leisure time, and surprises when the clerk says that it is not the currency. Okay, and he will be put behind the bars. Okay, his wife got worried. Okay, takes him to the psychiatrist friend. Okay, he refuses to believe. Okay, says it is a walking wish fulfillment. ये हमने पहले पढ़ लिया. Okay, as he could not face the modern world which is full of fear, insecurity, war, and all that. Charlie desperately go to Galesburg and so exchanges. Okay, new for old currency, but could never find the third level. Sam's disappearance has something to do with Galesburg, as he was fond of the place. One day, while going through the stamp collection, he finds an envelope containing a letter in July 18, 1894, written by Sam, who is living at Galesburg, assertions the third level. Charlie finds that Sam had bought old currency worth $800. Sam was Charlie's psychiatrist friend. Okay, so it was all about Charlie's psychological trick. Sorry, Charlie's in Sam's psychological trick. Okay, he made him believe that there was the third level at Grand Central Station. Okay, but it was not there. Okay, students, I'll send you the PDF related to this, related the answers. Okay, to this chapter of this chapter. Okay, and be ready to learn them. Okay, and write and note them down in your notebooks. Okay, thanks for watching this video, beta.